In part 1, I built a companion robot with blinking eyes and emotions. It worked way better than I was expecting, but then I realized something. It only reacted to touch. No body, no battery, just wires sitting on a breadboard. So today I'm going to fix that and turning this into a proper robot. So let's get started. First, I removed all the components from breadboard. This time I wasn't trying to build just a demo, I wanted to create something that actually works in real life. The biggest problem with old version was it had no idea what was happening around it. So I added an MPU 6050 sensor to detect movement like tilt and shake. Since both the OLED display and MPU 6050 uses I2C interface, they share the same connections, which keeps wiring simple and clean. Before we continue with the build, a quick word about today's sponsor, JLCMC. When you often make DIY projects, you might need different mechanical parts such as bearings, gears, mounts, and brackets. And finding good quality parts locally can be annoying. Sometimes quality isn't great, sometimes parts aren't available. JLCMC makes this much easier. They offer nearly 600,000 products in one place, covering hardware, mechanical, electronics, and automation components, with a good quality at reasonable prices. They also offers custom parts, which is actually helpful when you are building something unique. Right now there is a special offer for you. When you sign up, you can get up to $123 special coupons. The link is in the description if you want to check it out. So if you are working on similar projects and tired of searching for parts, this can save you a lot of time. Alright, back to the robot. After that, I started soldering all the components one by one, carefully following the connection diagram. Once the hardware was ready, I opened the code and uploaded it. Then it was time to test. When I touch the robot, it becomes happy. When it detects vibration, it becomes angry. It was finally reacting the way I wanted. Everything was working fine, but without a body, it still looked messy. I was thinking about 3D printing an enclosure since I don't have a printer yet and printing services takes a lot of time and money. That's why I decided to use MDA board. I cut the MDA board for each side and then glued the places together to form a simple body. Finally, I sanded the edges to make body look cleaner and more finished. At the end, the desktop companion robot was ready. It's not perfect yet, but it's alive, working properly and doing exactly what I wanted. It runs on a battery, reacts to touch and movement, and can be charged using a normal Type-C charger. That's it for today. If you want to build this yourself, you can find the code and connection diagram in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.